Hey, it's Nitro RC here again, and this is the second part to how to tune your Nitro RC engine. First, what you're going to want to do when you take your car out of the box is you're going to want to fill your fuel tank up completely to make the priming process way easier. Also, what you're going to want to do is to prime your engine. This is very basic. When your fuel tank is full, you're going to take your finger or thumb, whatever finger you want, completely seal the exhaust. Don't let any air out. Then you're going to take the pull start and you're going to pull it 3 to 4 times. Don't pull it too much because you'll flood your engine. Alright, we're going to start the engine now. Make sure your idle screw is at 1 millimeter or your car will take off. Watch. Pretty much that's set right. On the last video, I told you the factory settings for that when you're breaking in your engine. Just keep it like that. Tune into my next video on how to fine-tune your engine, and I'll go step by step on how to fine-tune your engine on dirt, sand, and pavement. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Nitro RC out.